Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My brothers and sisters whom I love. Firstly, let's thank to Allah because His mercies and blessing have taken us to be here in a good condition without any trouble and obstacles. Secondly, prayer and peace always be given to our beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has led us from the darkness into the lightness, from the stupidity to the cleverness, and the only true religion, namely Islamic religion that we love. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Fitri Nurul Amelia from Al Rifai Senior High School. Here, I'd like to deliver my speech on the title English as an Universal Language. Ladies and gentlemen, English is universal language. This language is used as an intermediate language that we can use to communicate with people all over the world. If you go to a country that doesn't use English as language of interaction, we can still use English to communicate. English has made it possible to connect with people around the globe. No matter what their mother tongue is, English has become primary language everywhere. So, by being fluent in English, we can also open a wider window of insight. Many scientific journals and books that discuss things in more detail use English. There are many more benefits and importance of speaking English that we can explain. So, I will put this into an example, an English speech about the importance of speaking English. Come on, let's see together. In business, English is used widely by the international business community to communicate across national borders and maintain correspondence with overseas business parties or professionals. English is essential. In education, English is important for higher education and specialist training. Most of the books on any subject are written in English or quickly translated to English. English is the medium of interaction in education, in most universities, in higher education institute of the world. For international relations, English is important for maintaining international relation and communication. It is the language of diplomacy, international political meetings, and conferences. Knowledge of foreign language is basic necessity for professional. Today, to success in professional life and make our life easier, it is important to start study or improving our level of English. Simply because English is universal language spoken, read, written, and many parts of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, in this new modern era, we are required to follow each improvement in technology. If we aren't following the progress in technology, we will left behind by others people. With technology, people can easily to communicate with others people in other parts of the world. For example, you are at international airport, you walk quickly and you look confident. You understand all the sight around you, you understand the announcement, you know that where any problem, you can easily to communicate with the airport staff in their language. You walk to your gate thinking how much more difficult it would be if you didn't know English. So, how to learn English easily? First, never think that English is difficult. You will hate learning English because some people say that it is a foreign language. It also has different pronunciation and spelling that can make your tongue slip. For example, a word spelled G-I-E-N-T has its pronunciation and we must read it giant. But don't worry friend, think simply and keep thinking that learning English will have a lot of fun. Second, start learning from simple vocabulary. Try to memorize as many vocabularies as you can within a day. Maybe 10 to 20 vocabularies. After that, make a simple sentence and you can use it when you are talking with your friend. Make more than 5 sentences to make you become more creative and brave to speak. Finally, English will be very easy to learn if you have confidence to speak up. Use English whenever you can and increase your motivation to study English. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all about the universal language. I really hope that my speech can give you a little benefit and useful for you all. I'm sorry for any word and behavior that unpleasing your heart. Thank you for your nice attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.